HostPapa markets itself as a green, independent hosting provider with a strong focus on sustainability and support for small businesses. In this video, I take you through my personal experience using HostPapa shared hosting plan. The sign-up process was fairly standard, though a bit cluttered with upsells and extra add-ons you might not need. Once inside the dashboard, I found the interface user-friendly, but somewhat outdated in design. Still, it's functional, and everything from domain management to CPL access is straightforward. Performance-wise, HostPapa claims a 99.9% uptime guarantee. Over a 3-month testing period, uptime metrics were decent, hovering around 99.94%, which is above industry standard. However, loading speeds were mixed. Sites with basic content loaded fairly fast, but more media-heavy pages show delays, especially under traffic spikes. This could be an issue for e-commerce or content-heavy websites. Their caching system does help, but optimization feels a bit basic compared to higher-end competitors. One thing that stood out positively is their support. HostPapa offers 24/7 customer service through live chat, ticket, and phone. My support tickets were answered within an hour, and the live chat was responsive and genuinely helpful, not outsourced or overly scripted. Their knowledge base is also rich with guides, which is great for beginners. And just when it felt like everything was lagging, AltaHost turned out to be the one solution that simply works. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Back to HostPapa. Pricing is affordable on the surface, with shared hosting starting around $3.95 per month if you commit to a 3-year plan. However, renewal fees are much higher, which can catch new users off guard. If you plan to stay long-term, it's something to factor into your budget. There's also a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is reassuring, though refunds exclude domain fees and certain add-ons. Security features are solid. Free Let's Encrypt SSL, server firewall, and basic DDoS protection come included. But more advanced security options require additional payment. Daily backups are only offered on higher-tier plans, so budget users might want to set up third-party backups. On the reseller hosting side, HostPapa provides WCHM access and white-label options, which is great if you're building a hosting business. Overall, HostPapa performs well in several areas: eco-conscious operations, reliable support, and user-friendly tools. But performance isn't top tier, and renewal pricing can be steep. It's a good fit for small websites, local businesses, or beginners who prioritize sustainability and customer service over raw speed or enterprise features. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future hosting reviews. Thanks for watching.